of the press. I'm Babu Owino, Member of Parliament of Embakasi East constituency. I'm here to talk about the purported Kirima's land at Mihango and Jiru in Embakasi East constituency, and the judgment that was issued by the Environmental and Land Court just recently. And I'm here with new development, which is a sigh of relief to my constituents. I want to give assurance to the Embakasi East residents and Kasarani residents, the Kasarani constituency residents, that there is light after the tunnel. That number one, the said land in question with an original LR number 5908/8/1, the original LR number 5908/5/3, that this said parcel of land does not belong to Kirima, neither does it belong to Kirima's family. I've gone further as a member of parliament, used my resources. I've done my investigation, and today I'm here with the relevant documents showing the original owner of the said parcel of land. And we've gone further to bring this person all the way from Italy. As we speak, he is in Kenya, and we are going to court to claim this land. The said parcel of land does not belong to Kirima for the following reasons. Number one, proof of ownership of land is by having a title deed, or rather producing a title deed before a competent court of law. The document that I have here is a document that was drawn in 1966. This document is called an indenture. An indenture, in those days, 1966, there was no title deed. And what was being issued by the government is this document called an indenture. We have the original copy of this that shows that this said parcel of land was sold to Mr. Domenico Di Masi, an Italian, and he bought it from Mr. Suklal Madoram. As you can see, this document the said parcel of land in question, the original LR number was 5908/5/3. The current LR number is 5908/8, and that is what was being contested in court. I want to explain to members of the public